In 2015, the Environmental Protection Agency noticed that Volkswagen cars were violating the Clean Air Act. There were a bunch of lawsuits, and the company ended up paying $33 billion in fines and compensation. The CEO resigned, and 4 of their managers were convicted of fraud. The scandal is known as Dieselgate, and the details get really interesting. The EPA outlines the maximum amount of nitrogen oxides that can leave the tailpipe of a diesel car, and tests to make sure that the cars are under that limit. Here's where it gets wild. Volkswagen knew how the cars would be tested, and they built in a low emissions mode. By looking at the speed, the engine operations, the air pressure, and the steering inputs, the car would detect if it was being tested and would go into that low emissions mode if it was. So the cars passed the tests, but when they were actually on the road, they were outputting 40 times the legal amount of nitrogen oxides. So how does this apply to AI? Well, we have evidence of models behaving differently when they know they are being tested. When models detect they are being tested, they present themselves as more likable. This should be concerning.